guys, we're going to be learning how to set up a WordPress site with local by Flywheel. So there are multiple ways to do this. There's one way that you can basically pull your website from WP Engine, but that's not the way that we're going to be doing that. So this is basically creating an environment for yourself when you want to, start building a site from scratch. This is the way that um, I would normally go about it. So the first thing you need to do is open up the local site and click the green plus button, and it's going to pop up a screen with the create a site, and it's going to have two options. The first is going to be creating a new site with everything is new, um, everything fresh, and the second is to start a site with a pre-installed element like plugins and theme. So click the first option and click continue. Here it's going to ask you to give it a name, and this name can be anything. Um, this is just for you to recognize the website and to make sure that you organize it. It's basically a naming thing. Uh, it's not much special. You would really just name this the name of your project. After you name it, click continue. So here what it is asking for is to choose the version of the PHP and the web server and the database. So the first option is preferred, and this is by default, and this is what you're going to get. When you click on the preferred, you're going to get PHP version 8.1.9, the Nginx web server, and MySQL version 8.0.1. But if you don't want that, you can click on customize, and you can choose the PHP version, and it goes as low as 7.3.5, and the web server you can choose between Nginx or Apache web server. And for the database, you can choose MariaDB or MySQL. So we're gonna go with the preferred option and click continue. Here it's asking for a username and password. This is where you're going to create your username and password to log into your WordPress site. Remember, this is not public, so this is just a local environment. So make sure you remember this password also. So we're just gonna call it admin. And then when you click continue, it's going to create your website for you, and you can basically go here, set up your code to basically push to Bitbucket and all of this.